Hi, good evening. This is Sajan. Today topic is about how to do uh, snapshot. How to do snapshot? What is the main reason why we are going for snapshot concept and how to the recovery process is happening. So first let us discuss what is EBS snapshot. Okay. So in the case of snapshot, for example, some unwanted or some crashes happening in the server or in the volume, how to make a backup and from the backup how to recover the software or informations. Okay. So this is about the snapshot. So in the case of EBS snapshot, it is a point in time. So for example, at the time one, we have taken snapshot, whatever data or a state of the machine, the point in time, the snapshot will be taken. Okay. So whatever data or which is stored after that point of time t1, this will not be stored. Okay. So in the case of incremental backup, what is mean by incremental backup? So it says that if you are taken the already the snapshot time one t1, if later time if you are going to take the snapshot at time 2, in between whatever the different different amount of data we have stored in the EBS volume, that is called incremental backup. Okay, that it means in the case of T2 snapshot, it will not have all the uh, data or state of the machine from bottom to top. Okay, so whatever data stored till T1, it will be from T1 to T2, that alone will be stored in T2. So that is incremental backup. Okay. And that's what only changed blocks are stored. The blocks, whatever changes happen in the blocks, the storage that alone will be stored in the forthcoming snapshots. That is deduplication. And billing also based on the amount of change data, not for the whole. Whenever taking snapshot for each hourly basis or a day-wise basis, okay, whatever difference that amount of change data alone will be billed. Hmm. So it's mainly for disaster recovery and yeah, for that mainly we are going for the snapshot. And what is mean by backup? Okay, whatever data we are on point in time we are taking, that snapshot is called a backup. So after backup, you cannot directly attach this backup into a machine to retrieve the data. Okay, so for that, the snapshot needs to be converted into volume. That process of converting snapshot into volume is called restore or recovery. Okay. So what is meant by backup? Backup is process of converting volume into snapshot. What is meant by recovery? From snapshot to volume. Converting that process is called recovery. Okay. I'll do the demo, then we can easily understand how the snapshot will be happening and how the recovery, backup and recovery is happening. So here, snapshot will be regional. Okay, so it means that between within the region, data, the snapshot will be stored in different availability zones. Okay, and the same way, if you took the snapshot for particular encrypted volume, The snapshot, although also will be in encrypted format. Okay. So here the only encryption upgrade only possible. You cannot do downgrade. What does it means? For example, you have taken uh, uh, encrypted volume as a snapshot, and in the case of recovery, again it will be in the case of encrypted. Okay, so the reverse thing is not possible. For example, encryption, then unencrypted is not allowed. Okay, so encryption. After that, if you want to do volume in unencrypted, it is not possible. That is downgrade is not we cannot do. But we cannot do upgrade from unencrypted data to encryption. We can do, but we cannot do encrypted to unencrypted. Okay, that is not possible in snapshot. Okay. So in this demo, what I'm going to do is I will launch Windows EC2 instance. Then I will attach EBS volume, and I will put some. I will store some PDF file on the volume. Okay. Then we cannot crash the virtual machine or EC2 instance. What I'm going to do, I will terminate this instance. Before that, before terminating, what I will do, I will take the snapshot of the EBS volume, which I already created. Okay, then I will terminate the machine as well as the volume. Okay, then I'll this is happening in availability zone 1. Then I'll go for availability zone 2, launch a new instance, because snapshot we cannot simply we cannot do recovery. Okay, so for that recovery process, first it needs to be attached to the EC2 instance. Okay, before attaching, we need to the snapshot should be created a volume. Okay, after creating the volume, it can be attached. Okay, then we can get the data. I'll show the demonstration. That's what I use. Snapshots cannot be directly attached. You must create a new volume first. Only within the same region the key pairs can be used. Okay, then yeah. So these are the workflow. So these are the main points we have discussed. This is point in point. The snapshot is a point in point incremental backup, deduplications only, and restored across all available zone in region, within the region, regional. A snapshot is a regional. Direct attach. You cannot directly attach the snapshot to any instance. Must be converted to volume first. Okay. And I'll go for uh, demo part first. Let me install the launch the instance. I'll launch the instance in availability zone 1. So I'll give the name as Windows Windows Instance 1. Okay, Instance 1. Then I'll select the Amazon Machine Images Windows loading. So I'm going to select the server Windows-based server 2013 base, because here we can have retire eligible. Then Windows server. Then we can go for instance type. That is capacity. It is a 33 micro. And then keeper, I'll use the already existing keeper. Then I'll go for launch the instance in availability zone 1. Okay. And select security group as launch wizard 1. Here I'm using the volume 1, that is root volume. This is root volume. Separately, I will launch, I'll add additional volume later. Okay, let us launch instance. And now you could see I have launched the instance. Parallelly, I will open RDP. So already we have allowed the security inbound rules. RDP is allowed. TCP. Wait, it is not yet launched. Um, Security groups, you can see what are the things are launched. See here, it is RDP is allowed. Okay, so no need to add additional new rules. Otherwise, we need to import rules. What are the protocols can be allowed here? Okay, so now I need to connect. While connect, I'll say here I need to get the password and I'll upload the private key. I have already private key, decrypt password. Now I have all the credentials. I'll use RTP to log in. Then username is administrator. Connect. Now I think I need to give the password. I should give. Otherwise I can't access EC2 instance. Okay. Now I am. I could do RTP on the instance on AWS. Okay. Now it will load. Mm, it needs to. It's loading all the softwares. Meanwhile, let us create a new volume. What I'll do, I'll create a new volume. So go to volumes. So you can see already some volumes here. This is a root volume. Don't confuse with this volume with EBS volume. Now I'm going to create a new volume. This is general and 100 GB. But I'll take as a 2 GB volume. Minimum 1 GB we need to give. I'll generate in the same availability zone. Okay. Um, then let us see how these partitions can check by using disk management .msc. There you could see the what is the partitions disk C okay, yeah, you could see here we have C drive with the 30 GB allotted. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll add the volume. Okay, so that is a volume. What is the size? 2 GB volume I'm going to add. Uh, um, so if you want to encrypt, you can encrypt. Otherwise, no need. I create a volume. So after creating volume, we have like a hard disk we have. Okay, then we need to. So see here, 2 GB volume we have. Okay, so I can give EBS volume so that we don't have any confusion between root volume and this volume. Okay, so now it's available. It's already this root volume is in use. It is available. I have selected not what I will do. I will just attach volume. Where I should attach? I should attach to already running things. That's it. Device name, we can give this name. Attach volume. Now you could see it is attached. Okay, 2 GB volume is attached. Now I'll initialize the disk for usage, on make it as online, and now because I want to make some, I want to copy some content data on this D drive. Okay, so for that I'm preparing for that. So I could see D drive. Now I'll copy some files. What I can file, I can copy some. Okay, I'll copy one file. A lab file I'll copy. So one PDF file is there. Okay, one PDF file I have added here. Now, next what I'm going to do, I'll create a snapshot for this EBS volume. So, this is snapshot one. This is for the root snapshots. It looks by default. And now I'll create a snapshot. So, what is the volume ID? I need to create for EBS volume. Okay, I want to create a snapshot for um, snapshot shot 2 GB. Okay, I'm creating for 2 GB snapshot. Okay, create snapshot. I have created the snapshot. Okay, now it is pending. Okay, it's just making a copy. Just it will make a uh, uh, it will make a point in time backup now. Okay, so that is creating a snapshot. Just as simple. Let us see. It's still pending, and so once I have created the snapshot, I'll yeah. Now it's completed. Okay, now what I will do, for example, this machine is now this EC2 instance is crashed. Okay, where we have launched this instance, the launched instance is in availability zone 1A. Okay, now next step what I will do, I will launch another EC2 instance availability zone 1B. Okay, because I want to show we cannot crash them here, but I will terminate this instance. Okay, then I'll launch another instance 1B. There I will I could recover this data. Okay, let us see. What I need to do, I need to terminate this instance. Once you terminate, okay, actions, not here, instance state, terminate. So we are terminating. So once you terminating, this machine will be shutting down. Okay, we have lost the data. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will launch a new instance. Launch instance. I'll give Windows instance 2. Same way, the repeat. I'll create a new. I select a new image. Then instance of this one, keeper, this one. I'll where I want to launch, as I told, I'm going to launch in 1B, another availability zone. Security group, it's I can use same security group. By default, the root volume should be 30. Okay, now launch. That's it, simple. Now I'm going to launch. Okay, it's launched. Let us see how. Let us check. So this is shutting down. Now I selected initializing. Let us try. Sometimes it will connect. Get password. No, not yet ready. Okay, instance. The status check needs to be done. Okay, until then we have to wait. No, not yet ready. Ah, okay, it's available now. Okay, password is ready. We have DNS, so we could reset. I could do OTP. Then reset administrator is there. Then I need to copy. So I have successfully launched a easy to instance Windows instance on availability zone 2. Yeah, that is 1B. Okay. Now what I need to do, uh, uh, I need to convert your volume. So already we have volume. So this is a snapshot we have created. Then what I need to do, I need to access, I create volume from snapshot. Okay, create volume from snapshot. Where I should create, I'm going to create 1B. Okay, so the remaining, so now we have created volume from snapshots. That is called recovery. Okay, so what is backup? Backup is creating a snapshot from the volume is called backup. Then from snapshot to volume, it is called recovery. We are recovering the data. Okay, so now you could see in the volume we have this recovery volume, this one B. Okay, this is recovery volume 1B available. Now it is available. Then we need to, what I need to do, we need to attach volume. Okay, before attaching, I will show you already existing instance doesn't have, 1A, sorry, 1B availability zone doesn't have the data. Okay, risk management.msc. No, oh, should be correct. Yeah. Okay. So we don't have anything like D drive. Now what I will do, I will attach this volume where I'm attaching instance to. It's already running. Device name XBB attach volume. That's it. Now we could see here we have online already only 2 GB. Now if you see um, in this D drive, yeah, we have successfully recovered the data on another availability zone. So what I did, 1A volume, sorry, 1A availability zone 1A. I have launched a instance and attached a 2 GB EBS volume. Then store this data. Okay, then I'll manually crash. I mean, I'll terminated the entire instance. Then everything gone. Now I launched a new instance 1B and I recover the data. I mean, attach the snapshot to the this volume, sorry, this instance in the availability zone. Then I could recover the data. Okay, so this is the aim of the this session, and yeah, I think we have completed this topic. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you.